Hey, welcome to another episode of Kevin's Garage. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 1978 Puch Maxi. Now before we head outside, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's go. So Puch Maxis are probably the most common moped in the US. Here we're going to go through the controls and how to operate it. So we have our rear brake, starting clutch, on-off switch for the lights, the horn button, the engine on-off switch, the front brake, the throttle, fuel, choke, speedometer, and the cylinder head temp sensor. So these chokes, the way they work, when you push them down, they're on, and then as you give it gas, it slowly raises up until it's all the way off. Alright, so let's go through the pre-start procedures on a Maxi. Mix your fuel. Turn your fuel to on. Turn the switch to run. Push the choke down. Pull the starter clutch and pedal. Thanks for watching another episode of Kevin's Garage. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.